Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting here. Make sure your AirPods Pro are connected and updated. First, check the firmware and device model so compatibility isn't the issue. Once connected, open Control Center or Settings to enable spatial audio. This toggles the feature system-wide. Make sure your iPhone or iPad OS supports dynamic head tracking. Now that spatial audio is active, play a supported Dolby Atmos or spatial track, so you have live audio to test and adjust in the next steps. Now you'll refine and diagnose. Start by toggling head tracking on and off to hear positional differences. This isolates tracking issues. Next, play an Apple demo or a Dolby Atmos track so you can judge imaging and channel separation. Inspect ear fit and seals, because poor isolation ruins spatial cues. Change tips and reseat the buds. If audio sounds off only on one side, swap left/right audio in settings to test drivers. Keep notes on what changes improve or worsen the effect. Finish by applying the common fixes that resolve most spatial audio faults. Reset the AirPods Pro through Bluetooth settings, then reconnect to force a fresh pairing and firmware handshake. Update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS and confirm the AirPods firmware updated automatically. Restart both devices after updates. If spatial audio still fails, test the buds with another compatible device to rule out phone-side problems. If problems persist despite these steps, contact Apple support. Mention the tests you ran to speed repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.